best way to not upset a woman is don't tell her anything you think will upset her. Just don't tell her. But then you get accused of lying and concealing. And so you can't trust men to tell the truth because you guys are smarter than women think you are. A woman is like, tell me the truth. And then you tell them a truth and they don't like that truth. And they get really upset about that truth. And as a woman, because we're motivated to not upset people, they actually think that if you know how upset I am about what's true for you, you will change what's true for you. They really think that. But you guys are smarter than that because it's been true for you for a long time. And there were no problems until you told her.
Yeah, easy correlation. I told you, now there's problem.
Now there's a problem. There was no problem before I was out loud about it. There's no problem at all. And really, honest men just stop telling the truth because it's not worth it.
Ito rin yung madalas kong sinasabi. Truth has a price. Equivalent exchange. If you're not willing to accept the truth, then you do not deserve the truth. Because for you to get the truth, you need to pay or you need to exchange something in return. Ano yun? Acceptance. Diba? Kasi hindi pwede na yung totoo, kayo lang ang may monopoly. Kayo lang yung magsasabi ng kung anong dapat yung mangyari, anong dapat yung setup nyo, disregarding kung ano naman yung totoo para doon sa partner nyo. And diyan, nagkakaroon ng conflict pagdating sa relationship. And marami akong naging clients na they felt trapped doon sa relationship nila because they keep on wearing the mask that they wore nung nanliligaw pa lang sila hanggang sa tumagal na sila ng 10 years, 15, 20, so on and so forth. And hindi sila nagkaroon ng tsansa na maghubad at ipakita sa kanila kung sino yung totoong sila dahil natatakot sila doon sa consequence ng katotohanan. And yet, you will hear a lot of people, partners, that they say, tell me the truth, tell me the truth. Pero pag sinabi mo yung truth sa kanila, magagalit sila. Anong message nun? 'Di ba? Anong message nun para sa taong magsasabi ng truth? Bakit pa ako magsasabi ng truth kung pagagalitan mo lang rin naman pala ako? Kung pag-aawayan natin to, kung pagsisimulan ito ng isang hindi magandang pakikitungo mo sa akin, bakit ko pa sasabihin yun? 'Di ba? Everything is fine. I mean, okay na ako nung mga panahong hindi ko pa sinasabi sa'yo, pero ngayon pipilitin mo ko dahil ano? 'Di ba? Ang pinakaunang tatamaan sa atin when it comes to these kinds of talks is yung ego natin. Hindi kinakaya ng ego natin na malaman na may iba pa palang truth bukod sa kung ano yung gusto natin. 'Di ba? Hindi pala tayo yung sentro ng universe, hindi pala tayo yung pinaka-importanteng tao. And once you learn how to integrate that kind of thinking, doon magsisimula yung pagbabago sa sarili mo, sa kalooban mo. That hindi lahat ng mangyayari sa buhay mo is kailangan naayon sa kagustuhan mo. Well, this is your lifestyle coach, Mark. You could book a free clarity session so that we could check if we could work together towards our goal. Have a good day.